The Forestry Department and the government has failed to secure a buffer zone for the eastern boundary of the Cockpit Country Protected Area.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The narrow main road that runs from Jacksontown to Albertown, known by locals as part of the Ring Road, is the only buffer between the Cockpit Country Protected Area and the designated 8,335 hectares of land now available to Noranda under Special Mining Lease 173. According to the PEGs, on one side of the road there is a protected area, and on the other side is the Special Mining Lease Area 173. The government ground-truthed and permanently marked the first 83 kilometers, starting in Jacksontown and ending in Albertown, now making the roadway the buffer and the eastern boundary of the Cockpit Country Protected Area. The Forestry Department has undertaken a ground-truthing exercise to align the boundaries on the proposed map with the actual landmarks. A progress report obtained from the Forestry Department revealed that 102 kilometers of the entire area has been ground-truthed, with the remaining 147.77 kilometers to be completed. The latest estimated parameter of the area to be declared protected in the Cockpit Country is approximately 76,459 hectares. The estimates will be confirmed on completion of the ground-truthing exercise, scheduled to be completed in December of 2020. To date, 242 concrete monuments have been laid across 50 kilometers using the geofencing reference points. The process began on the 5th of July this year. The current demarcation of the eastern boundary does not protect the core of the Cockpit Country, since the effects of mining will inevitably spread to the protected area. The main road is approximately 20 feet and cannot be considered a sufficient buffer. Without a buffer zone, when Special Mining Lease Area 173 is mined, the effects of the mining is going to destroy at least 2 miles into the Cockpit Country Protected Area. Noranda Bauxite, in a statement issued on the 7th of September, maintained that there is no mining taking place in the Cockpit Country, adding that of the 8,335 hectares under Special Mining Lease Area 173, only 15% will be mined for bauxite. However, that 15% is really all that can be mined. It is only the 15% they can get in bottomlands, which in reality is 100% of what they want they will be taking out.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.